Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2026 Volkswagen Beetle EV, a modern electric twist on one of the most iconic cars in automotive history. Volkswagen has brought back the legendary Beetle, but this time with a fully electric powertrain, updated styling, and a completely refreshed interior to meet the demands of the EV era. On the outside, the 2026 Beetle EV carries the timeless rounded silhouette that made it famous, but with sharper LED headlights, a sleek front grille design, and aerodynamic lines that make it stand out as both futuristic and nostalgic. The flush door handles, bold wheel options, and smooth rear profile all contribute to a more premium, modern look while still keeping the Beetle's charm intact. Inside, Volkswagen has given the Beetle EV a high-tech cabin with a clean, minimalist layout. A large central touchscreen takes center stage for infotainment, while a fully digital driver display provides all the key driving information. High-quality materials, customizable ambient lighting, and clever storage options make the cabin both practical and stylish. Depending on the trim level, you can expect premium upholstery, heated seats, and even a panoramic sunroof to enhance the overall driving experience. In terms of performance, the 2026 Beetle EV is built on Volkswagen's advanced EV platform, offering smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and a quiet, comfortable ride. With multiple battery options, drivers can expect a competitive range, making it suitable for both city commutes and longer weekend drives. Charging is also quick and convenient, thanks to fast charging support. When it comes to pricing, Volkswagen has positioned the Beetle EV to appeal to a wide audience. The base model starts at a competitive entry point, while higher trims with more range and luxury features will naturally cost more. This strategy makes the Beetle EV accessible to those looking for an affordable electric car, while still offering premium options for buyers who want a fully loaded version. Overall, the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle EV combines heritage and innovation in a way that few cars can. It's stylish, efficient, and modern, all while keeping the playful spirit of the original Beetle alive.